Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to add admin on Facebook group. To add admin on Facebook group, first you have to make sure that you have logged into the application through the website or the application. Then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Here, tap on groups. Now tap on the Facebook group you have created. After this, tap on Manage button on the top left. Under Tool Shortcuts, tap on People. Now find the person you want to make admin and tap on their name. Here, I'm making Kriti Khanal my admin, so I'm tapping on it. By tapping on Make Kriti an admin, it will send an invitation request to the requested person, and then that person has to accept the request to officially become the admin of the group. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out our videos. Goodbye till then.